Hey everybody, it's Paul Io. So today I'm going to be checking out my new pellet smoker. So already in my smoker I've got some tuna, just little pieces. Never tried this one before. I don't want to ruin a real big piece. Gonna check it out. Alright, so as you can tell it's nighttime now and we've had everything smoking for quite a while. Time to take everything out. So I got to check out the 12-inch pellet smoker. As you can tell, look, it's a little bit dirty. So it also comes with these hooks in case you've got a larger pit. You can hang them in there. It works really well. Mine's kind of small, so it doesn't matter. And a thermometer. This is one of the best tools that you can possibly have. Love digital thermometers. You still have to make sure that they're accurate, but really love it. And the smoke from this was amazing. My tuna turned out great. I can't say anything better about it than, hey, if you need one, you want some extra smoke inside of your grill, you want a little bit of extra smoke inside of whatever, this is a great tool to have. So go ahead, check it out. Links down at the bottom or up above, depending on your social media. Please subscribe to Paul Io Food, and got some more coming at you later, along with some great recipes. Thanks so much. Oh wait, you know what? I totally forgot. It comes with a cleaning brush too. Really good.